Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to the video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how we can resolve this issue. Scanner is skipping the next line. For that guys, I'm just trying to run this program. Enter the employee, I'm just giving test. Enter the serial number of an employee, giving 1. Click on enter. So enter the designation is there, but it does type test with serial number 1 is in test and the Java project. How we can resolve this guys? Okay. So you have to understand one thing here. So let me go to the beginning. So I entered the name of an employee which is test and it is a next line. So test will be read and when we click on enter /n will be there. Okay. So what nextInt does when you give 1, so 1 is there and also we are clicking on /n. So nextInt will only read the value 1 and /n is not read. So when we have a next line, enter the designation, this /n will work. /n is added. Okay. And this line is printed and after that /n is done. That's why it is giving the result. For that what we will do, if we just type scan.nextLine here and if you run the same program, it should work. So run the program, enter the employee test, serial number 1, designation, test. So test with serial number 1 is in test as a test in Java project. First we are giving next line, so it is reading a value which is test and then /n, that is what we are performing. So in the second line what is happened nextInt, so we are giving the value 1 but we are clicking on enter, so enter is there but here only 1 is read, right? Then we are giving /n, so next line, so this /n is gone. Now it will come to enter the designation, then next line, now here designation is test. That's how it will work. Hope you like the video guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care, have a great day, bye bye.